When it comes to home improvement projects, door installation is one that often seems simple enough to tackle as a DIY task. However, homeowners in Lafayette should carefully consider the benefits of hiring a professional for this important job. Whether it's a front door, patio door, or any other type of entryway, the expertise of a professional installer can make a significant difference in the quality, security, and overall aesthetic of your home. Precision and accuracy. One of the most critical reasons to hire a professional for door installation in Lafayette is precision. Doors need to be perfectly aligned within the frame for both functional and aesthetic reasons. If a door is installed incorrectly, it may not close properly, leading to air leaks, security vulnerabilities, or even difficulty opening and closing the door. A professional installer has the experience and the tools to ensure that the door is not only level but also properly sealed, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Professional installers are trained to work with different types of doors, whether it's a standard hinged door, sliding glass door, or more specialized models like French doors or storm doors. Their expertise allows them to make sure everything is installed according to manufacturer instructions, as well as local building codes, which can vary in Lafayette. This attention to detail ensures the door works smoothly and fits perfectly into its designated space. Safety and security. A door is often the first line of defense against unwanted entry into your home. If not installed properly, it can compromise the safety of your home and family. Whether you're installing a sturdy entry door to enhance security or a patio door to keep your home accessible and safe, professional installers are well versed in securing the door frame and hardware in a way that prevents common problems like weak hinges or misaligned locks. In Lafayette, where homes may experience unique weather conditions, including humidity or intense heat, a professional can ensure the door is correctly sealed and secured to avoid gaps. These gaps not only let air in but could also weaken the security features of your door. A professional knows exactly how to address these concerns, preventing potential safety issues. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners, especially in Lafayette, where summer heat can drive up cooling costs. A poorly installed door can lead to significant energy loss by allowing hot or cold air to leak into your home. A skilled professional installer knows how to minimize this risk by ensuring the door and frame are properly sealed, reducing the potential for drafts. Additionally, a professional will make sure the door itself is the right fit for your home, which can help you avoid wasting money on a poorly fitting door that doesn't serve its intended purpose. A well-installed door can also help your HVAC system work more efficiently by providing a better seal against outdoor elements. This means your home will stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, cutting down on energy consumption and utility costs. Professional installers often use higher quality weather stripping and insulation materials to enhance the energy-saving properties of your doors, providing a better return on your investment. Avoiding future damage. Installing a door may seem like an easy job, but it requires precise measurements and knowledge of the structural integrity of your home. Even small errors can lead to long-term issues like door sagging, air leaks, and even damage to the frame or surrounding areas. A professional installer ensures the job is done right the first time, minimizing the risk of any future repairs or costly fixes. Furthermore, a professional installer has access to high-quality materials and tools that most homeowners don't. They know how to use these tools effectively to prevent unnecessary damage to the door or your home's structure. If something does go wrong during installation, professional installers are covered by insurance, which means you won't have to worry about covering the costs for any accidental damage. Increased home value and curb appeal. The installation of a new door can significantly improve your home's curb appeal. A professional installation ensures that your new door complements the rest of your home's exterior, making it an attractive focal point. A skilled installer can also help you select the right door that fits your home's style and enhances its architectural features. Whether you're looking for a modern design, traditional wood finish, or a more contemporary glass door, a professional can provide expert advice to help you choose the best option. In addition to the aesthetic benefits, a well-installed door adds value to your property. Should you ever decide to sell your home, potential buyers will appreciate the attention to detail and the confidence that comes with knowing the door has been installed properly, with no issues or risks down the road. Conclusion. While door installation might seem like a straightforward task, it involves much more than simply hanging a door. For homeowners in Lafayette, professional expertise ensures that the door is properly installed, secure, energy efficient, and enhances the home's overall appearance. By entrusting the job to a skilled professional, you avoid costly mistakes, protect your home's security, and increase the longevity of your doors. Ultimately, the small investment in professional door installation can make a big difference in the long-term comfort, safety, and value of your home.